Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Tuesday's Social Studies lesson. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to jump into the next lesson in our world unit. We remember that our essential question is, where do I live in the world? Today we're going to talk about something different. We're going to talk about globes and maps. So we've learned a lot about different types of maps. Now let's talk about how the globe can also show us parts of our world. Today for our target is we are going to explain what a globe is, and we're going to compare and contrast globes and maps. Remember the words compare and contrast? Those are power words we talked about at school. That means that we're going to look at how they are the same and how they are different. So let's look at the book today, Me in the World. This is the planet Earth. It is the planet that we all live on. Earth is our world. Earth is just one of the many planets that are in our solar system. So if you were looking at the solar system from outer space, here we are, the Earth, third planet from the sun. All people, plants, and animals live on our planet Earth. The Earth is made up of land, water, and air. The Earth is round like a ball or a 3D shape. Do you remember what it was called? It's a sphere. This is a model of the Earth. A model of the Earth is called a globe. So it's showing us what the Earth looks like. Have you ever heard of the word model before? Here's a model car and a real car. A model means it's a smaller size or a pretend version of the real thing. A globe is a small model of the planet that we live on. We use the globe the same way we would use a map to help us find places on the Earth. A globe is round and three-dimensional. It's shaped like a sphere. It is not flat like a map. That's a big difference. Maps are flat pieces of paper, but the globe is round and solid, so we can move around it and see. We can find land and water on a globe. Can you tell where the land is and where the water is? Yes, because they're marked by different colors again, green and blue. A globe also has a special invisible line around the center. This center line is called the equator. The equator divides the Earth into two parts, the north and the south. The places around the equator are the hottest places on the Earth because of where the sun hits the Earth. So remember, in math, we're talking about symmetry now and how we can take a shape and we can divide it and we can make a line to fold it or cut it. Well, think of the equator as being the line because it is exactly in the middle of the Earth and you have two halves of the whole globe. The globe can show us the biggest parts of the world. It shows us the oceans, the continents, which are the big bodies of land, and all the countries. A map can show us any place in the world, not just the biggest parts. But on the Earth, it's just the globe, it's just the big parts. Globes and maps are both tools to help us discover places in our beautiful world. Today, your activity for lesson 6 is you're going to use the words to label the picture, and you're going to use the crayons in the correct color to color the land and the water. So here's a globe for you right here, and the 3 words you're going to label for me are the water, the globe itself, and the land. Okay, so this is a globe. So you're going to write globe in here. And then tell me which one is the water and which one is the land. The water, you can probably guess and read it because you're super readers, is going to be in blue, and the land is going to be in green. And our quick checks for today is going to be quick check 1. A globe is a model of the Earth. Yes or no? Quick check 2. A globe shows where land and water are on the Earth. So today, we're just talking about the basics of a globe, but soon we're going to start getting into what each of those areas are on the globe and why it's important to know them. So for today, go ahead and make sure you do lesson 6 only and send me a picture of your work on Dojo or Classroom. Remembering our target is explaining that we know what a globe is and we know how globes and maps are different and the same. One is flat and one is solid. One can show us a lot of different places and one can show us just the big places. Have a great rest of your day and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for lesson number 7. This is T signing out.